Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today video I will try to explain how we can create cover letter using Europass template. Cover letter normally we use to attach with our job application, our visa application, and for a postdoc and PhD application normally we attach cover letter. So let's start. How we can create cover letter using Europass. Just write here Europass, open your browser, just write here Europass, enter, open your first link, and you can see that this is the official website for Europass. You can create your CV. In last video I create your how you can create your Europass CV, and in this video I will explain how we can create cover letter. Click on cover letter. Now this is the cover letter template. So now I will try to click on create a new cover letter, and you can write here the language and the date, and here you just write your name because you are sending application to some one of organization. You are sending application to university or embassy and so on. So first of all you have to write your information, your name, your address, your postal address, your country, and select your phone number, okay, mobile number, okay, and select your country again. Okay, fine. Now is almost done. Write your email here and click on save. We already put my data because I want to apply for a job or a postdoc application, so I put my data here. In the second I will write the information about the person, the manager or the HR manager or the team manager. I want to write him for job application, so I will write his name. Maybe he's a doctor, minister, or whatever. For example, he's a Dr. Davis Daniel, and name of organization is Microsoft. Okay, just it's for just dummy detail. You can write your organization name, and here you can write the address. Like for example, I will write just Texas, Austin, Texas, and here you can write the address line. Here you can write the postal address. So I will copy some detail. I will copy some detail from here because I don't want to write here. So just copy here and write here the city name, and here write the country. Select the countries from here. Okay, US, and click on save. Now you have to write the subject. In cover letter you have to write the subject job application as a software engineer at Microsoft. So you have to write your own position, for which position you're applying, and the company name, and just write here, paste here. So it will see is so easy, right? And click on save. After saving that, you will have to write, for example, the responsible person for this position is dear Mr. Davis or dear Mr. Daniel, whatever, right? You just have to write his name here. For example, dear Mr. Maybe his name is Daniel, right? And here you have to write the body, the detailed information about your education and your experience, and why you are applying for this position, and so on. So you have to write your own cover letter. So I'm just will copy from here. You also can copy from your file and just paste here. You can see that it's so easy, and it will be a well format, so you don't need to worry about your format. And now just click on save. The body is already completed, and now we have to write the closing, right? Closing we have to write, for example, since you're sincerely, okay, and your name. For example, my name is Khan Tariq, and I would write my name here. And here if you want to upload your signature, it's more good, just upload your picture from your system. just digital signature here, right? I will upload my signature here and I will save here, and I will click on save. You can see that my cover letter is almost ready. I put my data, then from to the person, responsible person, and then I write the subject, and here I write the detailed information about myself, my education, my experience, and I also write that why I'm interested to work or work in your company and so on, right? And I give the closing and I upload my signature if you want. Okay, and just click on next, and you can see that our beautiful template is already the cover letter template is already ready. You just click on this. If you want that one, you can select that one. If you like this one, if you want, you can select this one, and if you want, you can that one. So but I think this one is more look more decent and beautiful, so I will click on that. And if you want page number, click on yes, and just click on next. And now it's ready. You have to name give name to your Khan Tariq later. I will just give my name to this later. Okay, and I will as a PDF I will save and click on download, right? Click on download, and it's done. It's already ready. I will just go to my download folder and I will download my cover letter. You can see that how beautiful is the template, and the and everything is perfect. So if you want to write a cover letter to apply for a job, or to for a visa application, for a PhD application, for a postdoc application, just go to the website, and Europass website, and put your all information and done. So this is so easy. If you are interested, so you can go and put your data and create your own cover letter. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my content, give a thumbs up. Thank you.